and welcome to my channel. So this is Lovely Thai Cosmetics. This is my first video and I'm so excited to come today and give you guys this tutorial that I'm about to do. I've been having a lot of people asking me to do an eyeshadow tutorial, and so I'm not a professional, but I do make my eyeshadows very pretty. So thank you guys for tuning in and just sit back and enjoy. Okay, my lovely, so this here is my Hot Girl Summer eyeshadow palette. Before I put that on, I did use a concealer that I got from e.l.f. I purchased it from Target. This here is the yellow that's in my palette. I want to put that up under my brow and make sure I blend it very well and do that on both sides. Next is the dark brown. I will put that into my crease and blend it. Blending is everything, my lovelies. And do that to the other side as well. Coming along. Next is the orange that's in my palette. What I would do here is place that in the middle of the brown and the yellow just to mix the brown into the yellow a little bit better. It really gives it more of a sunset look. We're getting there. Next is the gold shimmer, and I will place that right on my eyelid there, just in the middle area, and that'll give your eye a little pop in the middle there. So when the light hits it, it's gonna shine, baby. Beautiful. Next is just a lighter brown, and I'm just using that just to blend a little bit the gold into the brown. You don't want any solid lines between your makeup there. Next, this is more of a flatter brush, and I will use this. This is just the darker brown that I used earlier, and I'm putting that up under my eyelid. And then I will use the gold to put in the middle of my eyelid, the bottom of my eyelid. I love how the light shines on that shimmer. And some of that shimmer just happened to fall onto my cheeks, so I just used my brush that I use for my foundation just to get some of that off. And then I have to do my winged eye, you guys. I love having a winged eye. This was a little difficult for me, so I had to go to the bathroom to do it. These are my 801 lashes. They're called Flirty Miami on my website. I love these. They are very light, they're reusable, and they look amazing. I use dual lash glue to apply my lashes. Bomb. Love these lashes. That is a beautiful look. This here is my mascara. It is a 4D fiber mascara, and that's on my website as well. I love my mascara. I even use it just for my regular lashes on a regular day. Okay, my lovely, so this is my final look. This is a somewhat of a sunset look. I really like it. It's so simple. I don't really do all the contouring and all that stuff. What I did forget to mention is that I did use by e.l.f. It is a concealer. As you guys can see it. I got this from Target. And the color is medium warm. So that is the color that I used before I started putting on my eyeshadows. So I put that on just so when you put the eyeshadows on, the colors would be more blunt. So, yeah, that, and then, that's pretty much it. There are some pictures at the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really had fun doing this. Thank you. Like and subscribe and share also. Thank you.
Ryan Little. Yoga.